download, I noticed that the teachers tended to give them higher grades. All over the place. I'm all over the place. Your teacher will definitely like that. And hi, hello, and welcome to the second episode in the Back to School series. Here are the nails of the week. So the first thing that I want to say about class presentations is to download a theme. I don't know if I'm gonna pronounce this right. There's this website called Slides Carnival. Basically what they have is free themed templates for your presentations. If you download those, your presentation looks more visually appealing than just like a blank white page with text on it. Aside from the website that I definitely cannot pronounce the name of, Canva also has some great templates and it's also free. In my class, whoever would download the slide presentation templates, I noticed that, I don't know, just because of the aesthetics appeal of it, even though that wasn't part of the grade, the teachers tended to give them higher grades. It looks as if you put a lot of thought into the design of your presentation, when in reality, all you did is like take 2 seconds, click slide theme, and bam, put it in your Google Docs or your, what are those called? Slide thingies? I don't know, I like Google Docs. Docs? Google Slides! Damn it! This video is all over the place. Another thing that you can do if you have a little bit more time and if you're good with designs is get a bunch of Tumblr transparents or aesthetics transparents off of the internet and use those on your slide pages. I'll insert some of the examples that I did during my presentations right here, and this is what I did, and this is what I did with the themes. I really love these themes. I know during presentations all of us face a lot of anxiety, but the thing is, it's the kind of situation where you either do it or don't do it, so you cannot be halfway in, you have to be all in. Make sure to talk as loudly as you possibly can, and if you don't pronounce the words and it just gets lost and it gets boring, everyone starts to drift off during your presentation. Only your best bet is to be either the first presenter. Teachers will definitely admire the courage if you volunteer yourself to be the first to do the presentation, or the last presenter, because those are the two that get remembered the most. Like a psychological thing, it's called, what is it called? Serial positioning effect. Another thing that I would definitely recommend before the presentation is just get hyped up and get excited. Maybe put your shoulders back and do like some kind of power pose, because that is psychologically proven to give you more confidence. Even just by the position of your body, it sends signals to your brain about how are you feeling. So you can trick yourself in thinking you're feeling more confident by holding a different pose. You can even go to the bathroom and like jam out to your favorite song before the presentation. I remember that was like an old 2010 YouTube tip, but it actually works. And you have to get excited before your presentation. Your teacher will definitely like that, and you will be memorable, as well as you're doing your classmates a favor by not giving them another one of those boring presentations. One thing that I forgot to say about presentations was that definitely practice your presentation a few times before actually doing it, because if you practice it, you have more confidence in yourself. When doing it without practice, you're not completely sure like whether it's going to succeed or not, or how it's going to come out, so you might make a weird mistake. It's going to be so much easier for you just to repeat whatever you've been doing for so long, and then again it just makes those jokes or whatever you want to say during the presentation so much more smooth, because you presented them. Okay. And if you're watching this, then you've made it to the end of this video.